At A2Z Ozone, quality isn't just a standard, it's a promise. Each ozone generator is crafted with precision, ensuring reliability and excellence for our customers worldwide. Every step in our production process is carefully monitored, from assembly to testing, to meet your expectations for superior performance. Take a look behind the scenes at how we bring innovation to life. Our team works diligently to design and produce ozone generators that help purify water, air, and beyond. With advanced technology and attention to detail, we create products that make a difference in your everyday life. Innovation drives us forward. At A2Z Ozone, we utilize cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices to manufacture ozone generators that are efficient, eco-friendly, and built to last. Our commitment to the planet and to you is at the core of everything we do. From concept to completion, our focus remains on you, our valued customer. Our manufacturing process ensures that every product meets the highest standards of quality and reliability, so you can trust A2Z Ozone to deliver solutions that enhance your life. Behind every ozone generator is a team dedicated to excellence. Our skilled professionals bring years of expertise and passion to each step of the manufacturing process. Together, we create products that empower healthier, cleaner living.